What's up, Facebook, YouTube, all social media outlets? It's Anthony Lyons again here with another video for AL Designs. What you got here is a 2017 Toyota Tundra TRD edition. Going to put some speakers in here and upgrade put a new amplifier in, aftermarket amp, all Robert Fosgate gear. Should sound really cool. Cool thing about doing this vehicle is that I personally have a Tundra and I love it, and so this video and pictures are going to be all about the Tundra. I know you Ford lovers and Dodge lovers, I know you guys are going to probably hate it, but these pictures, videos, everything's about Tundra. So get ready for some nice installs on the Toyota Tundra. And here we go. So I'm almost done with the 2017 Tundra. Just finished a 2008 Tundra a few weeks ago, so I'll have a bunch of pictures and video of both systems. Like I said, this is going to be a Tundra video. So what we got here is a 4-channel amp installed underneath the driver's seat, as well as a LC7i, which is a integration unit for the factory radio, so that you can have all your aftermarket gear. The LC7i is attached to the factory amplifier, which is underneath that black unit there. And each door is sound treated. You'll see some pictures of that with all the sound deadening. And tweeters were installed and rear speakers were installed. So like I said, you'll see a few videos and pictures of both Tundras. So if anybody has a Tundra, hit up AL Designs, Anthony Lyons, holla.
My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo.